Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a steamboat with smokestacks. This is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and then we're going to start with the colored side down. Next we're going to valley fold in half along the horizontal. So we'll take this bottom edge, bring it up to the top edge. Just make sure both corners line up. And then crease that all the way across. And then unfold. Next we'll bring this bottom edge to that crease that we just made. So just fold that up. Make sure it lines up there and crease it. Next we're going to bring this right edge here and line it up with the raw edge right here. And that'll make a valley fold that bisects this angle there. So it's going to look like this. And you can see how that lines up there. Then we'll do the same thing on this side. We'll bring this edge to line up with this edge. Now we'll unfold both of those, and then we'll turn the model over. Now for this next step, we're going to be forming a new crease. It's a valley fold that goes straight up from where this crease meets the bottom edge, but we're going to make a couple other creases at the same time. So I'll show you what happens here. This crease is going to stay a mountain fold, and this one underneath will be a valley fold. But we're going to separate these two layers apart from each other. And then if you look underneath this fold here, going to form that crease, the one we made in the last step, and form this crease as well while swinging this edge over. Then you'll want to pull it over as far as it can go and crease right here, and then just make sure that this is lining up horizontally, and then you can crease it all the way up to the top. And when you're done, these edges should align as well. And we're going to do the same thing on the left side here. So we just bring that top layer over, making this little triangle on the bottom left. Then we'll form this new crease all the way up to the top. Then it should look like this. Next we'll bring this top edge down to this bottom edge. Line those up and then crease. Next we're going to valley fold this flap back up right here, connecting these edges. And once you start folding, you'll notice the edge underneath, and you can use that as a guideline. Next we're going to make a valley fold, and it's going to be just on this flap right here, but it's going to start from this point, and then this edge is going to become vertical. So you'll notice it starts right from that point there. Then I'm making it so this edge becomes vertical, and then once we have that in place, we can crease that down. We'll do the same thing on this side. Starting it right from that point. And then go ahead and crease that. Then we'll unfold both of those. And this is going to be similar to the previous step down here. We're going to open this top layer from the others, and then we're going to form this crease that's underneath, and then we'll be reversing this crease that we already have. So you can see that triangle starting to form. Then we're valley folding this flap over. And then we'll crease that firmly. And the same thing on the left side. Then we'll turn it over. And now we have our steamboat done. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.